students, as you know that in my last lectures I taught you about half wave rectifier, and today our topic is full wave rectifier. Dear students, before studying about full wave rectifier, the things which must be clear to you are about PN junction diode. Diode means it is a combination of two types of semiconductors, that is p-type semiconductor and n-type semiconductor, and this is symbol for diode, or we can call it PN junction diode. Dear students, after that you must know about forward biasing and reverse biasing of a diode. So let me tell you that a diode is said to be forward biased if positive terminal of battery is connected to P section and negative terminal of battery is connected to N section. But the diode will be reversed biased if P section is connected with negative terminal and N section is connected with positive terminal. If these terms or these concepts are not clear to you, then please go back and first clear your concepts of forward and reverse biasing. Dear students, when I taught you about half wave rectifier, I told you that rectifier is a device which converts AC supply to DC supply. AC means alternating current, DC means direct current. Alternating current means which changes direction. You can see here. Okay, for example, sometimes positive, sometimes negative, positive, negative. So that means alternatively it is changing its direction as well as magnitude. So we call it AC. But the rectifier is a device which convert AC into DC. So you can see the output here. Output is positive, 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 positive. That means it is going in one direction only. It is not changing its direction. That means your input is AC, but the output which we are getting is DC. So dear students, this is our work to explain this full wave rectifier which is converting AC into DC. So now question is, what is the difference between half wave rectifier and full wave rectifier? Students, if you remember, in full wave rectifier only positive half means we were getting output only for half of the input. We were getting output for only half of the input supply. As you have seen in half wave rectifier, input was same but output was one pulse. This was vacant. Second pulse. This was vacant. Third pulse. Okay, so that means your half wave rectifier was a rectifier which was converting only one half of each cycle. One half of each cycle means किसी भी cycle का सिर्फ एक half ही rectify कर रहा था. लेकिन आपका full wave rectifier, it rectifies or it converts both halves. Halves means plural of half. Okay, it converts both halves of AC to DC. Means जो दोनों half हैं, whether it is positive or negative, it will convert both halves into DC. Okay, so dear students, this is full wave rectifier. Principle of half wave rectifier and full wave rectifier is same. That junction diode offers low resistance in forward biasing and it offers high resistance in reverse biasing. Okay, that means whenever your diode will be forward biased, the resistance will be low. I hope you understood the meaning of low resistance. Means it will conduct. Current will flow through it. Okay, and whenever it will offer high resistance, means in reverse biasing it is offering high resistance, so it will not conduct. Okay, so principle is very simple. Junction diode offers low resistance when forward biased and high resistance when reversed biased. So now let us see its diagram. Students, you know that in rectifier there is one transformer, step down transformer. Okay, so you can see that here we have taken input supply, and the sign of input supply is telling you that it is a AC. Okay, and we have taken one transformer, step down transformer, two diodes we are using here. First name I have given D1 and second name I have given D2. Students, you should know that this is a symbol of your diode, and just now I told this triangular part is P and this single line one is N. दिस इज जस्ट सिंबल. पी टाइप और एन टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर है, तो पी टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर को ट्रायंगुलर पार्ट से डिनोट करते हैं, और जो सिंगल लाइन है इट इज एन टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर. ओके, सो डायोड D1 and D2 in center RL means one resistance is there, we call load resistance. Around it we are getting output. You can just imagine that these are two wires, and in wires को आप कहीं भी connect करोगे तो आपको DC मिलेगा. Means you will get DC around load resistance. Okay, so this is all about diagram. These arrows are showing the direction of current, कि current is moving in this direction. Okay, I hope diagram is clear. This I already explained to you. This is your input and this is your output. Input is changing its direction continuously, so that's why we call it alternating current, but output is in same direction, that's why we call it DC, direct current. Okay, so I hope it is clear. Now let us see working. Students, working. First of all, construction is given that full wave rectifier consists of two diodes D1, D2 such that if one get forward biased, the other one get reversed biased. Means एक टाइम में एक ही forward bias होगा और दूसरा क्या हो जाएगा आपका reversed biased. Okay, one will get forward biased and another will get reversed biased. Okay, now what happens, students, during positive half cycle means whenever we are taking upper half cycle, during positive half cycle what will happen, the upper end of your transformer will be positively charged and lower end will be negatively charged. Positively charged, it is connected with P, means positive is connected with positive. Obviously negative will be connected with negative, but what about D2? This end is negative and here negative is connected with P, so that means D1 is forward biased क्योंकि D1 में P section is connected with positive. Okay, but in D2 the P section is connected with negative. Once again I am telling you, during positive half cycle what happen, the upper end will be positive and lower end will be negative. So you can just join the D1 and D2 means diodes, and you will get that during positive half cycle your D1 will be forward biased and D2 will be reversed biased. And I told you in forward biasing the D1 will conduct and D2 will not conduct, means D2 की वजह से हमें कोई आउटपुट नहीं मिलेगी. So that means we will get output due to D1 only. Okay, and during negative half cycle what happened, during negative half cycle this end will get negatively charged and lower end will be positively charged. अब यहाँ पे नेगेटिव है, नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव के साथ जुड़ रहा है तो ये हो गया रिवर्स बायस्ड, and here positive is positive, then it is forward biased. So now D1 is reversed biased and D2 is forward biased, so we will get output due to D2 only. Means पॉजिटिव हाफ में हमें D1 की वजह से आउटपुट मिल रही है और नेगेटिव हाफ में हमें D2 की वजह से आउटपुट मिल रही है, and as a whole we are getting output for both half cycles, means we are getting full rectified cycle. That's why we are calling it full wave rectifier. Dear students, this is very important, full wave rectifier as well as half wave rectifier. Okay, so next topic we will take tomorrow. This is enough for today. For any query you are free to ask me. Okay, in half wave rectifier what is the difference, how the half wave rectifier and full wave rectifier differentiate with each other, so that you can compare with your previous topics. Okay, I hope it is clear, but still if you have any query, please feel free to ask me. Okay, you have seen that in half wave rectifier only one diode was there, but in full wave rectifier there are two diodes. Okay, so this is enough, students. Thank you. Have a good day.